welcome to the 85th edition of Marex Maritime News. The headlines on Monday, the 27th of September 2021. Pandemic paves way for new healthcare protocols and technologies. Synergy Group takes over Musk Tankers technical management. ITF believes energy transition to benefit seafarers if done rightly. Hull monitoring data will inform design of first offshore fish farms. Expert report on logistic markets. In this pandemic, the global community has gained new appreciation on the importance of public health measures that has reshaped the approach and delivery of medical care. While many industries were hard hit, the maritime community faced its own unique set of challenges.
The pandemic has put the spotlight on the little things we have begun to ignore. Till the pandemic, the world was seemingly becoming like a large machine, with 90% of our daily routine being without realization, more procedural. The pandemic, in a sense, reset this large global machine, the way we think, respond, react, and largely the way we live. But the most important wheels of this machine is the logistic movement of everything from necessity to luxury. It has been the maritime industry that has kept this machine working while the world resets to new demands, expectations, and standards. For the healthcare industry, the pandemic has been a thrust towards the future, while a harsh reminder on our preparedness levels as a society. Reinventing care has been the fundamental change, and the way we deliver it. From reactive to being preventive, to now focusing on proactive, the realization of health and the delivery of care has come a full circle. Innovation in this phase has largely been on focusing on the little things, on the basics, while using technology to bridge the gap, especially in the area of primary care. Anytime access, skilled medical team and specialists, focusing strongly on clinical history, good follow-up are some of the key ingredients. At 3Q, we have been bridging the healthcare gap from technologies with our proprietary applications to the delivery of care with our 24/7 medical team of over 15 doctors working round the clock to provide remote medical assistance to our heroes at sea. Today, we deliver the duty of care to over 860 vessels subscribed with us and are grateful to the industry to have given us a chance to positively impact the quality of life at sea by delivering superior care 24/7. From preventive and proactive with our dedicated wellness team to reactive with a highly skilled medical team and panel of specialists that has significantly reduced the dependency and need for port visits. This in itself has reinvented care and its quality to being more personal and specialized in a more digitally connected world.
The Synergy Group, headquartered in Singapore and operated out of India, has signed an agreement to take over Musk Tankers technical management business. This will strengthen the Synergy Group's position within technical management, and Musk Tankers will become a service company focused on commercial management. The service includes customer and supplier contracts as well as the technical management of 82 vessels, including the vessels in Maersk product tankers. The vast majority of the employees in Maersk Tankers technical management business will become part of the Synergy Group, which will strengthen the company's presence in Denmark, Singapore and India. The takeover of the technical management business is expected to be completed in November 2021. The International Transport Workers Federation (ITF) is backing a zero carbon emission target for shipping by 2050, saying that the energy transition can bring benefits to ships' workers if done in the right way. At the launch of the Ocean Stewardship Coalition held in New York on 20th September, the ITF's Stephen Cotton, as the newly appointed Labour representative on the board of the United Nations Global Compact, delivered a positive message on the benefits of tackling climate change for workers. Line Structurers AS, a supplier of hull stress monitoring system, is rolling out a novel application of a sophisticated technology. Its fiber optic system provides onboard hull stress status to navigators on the bridge, allowing them to make decisions in real time about the forces on the vessel structure. This technology can be found on the US Coast Guard's fast response cutters, the US Navy's aluminum-hulled fast transport USNS Spearhead, and hundreds of tankers, LNG carriers, and cargo vessels belonging to some of the industry's top shipping companies. Now our logistic market report direct from the expert.
The situation of high freight rates, shortage of equipment, that is containers, and shortage of space, shipping space, continues. If at all there is a difference, it is the customers, that is the importers and exporters, have now got used to high freight rates, and probably they are also not expecting any lowering in near term. This is something like the world adjusted to the oil shock of 1970s. There is another difference we can say is the way shipping lines contract has changed. Though it is colloquially called spot rates, I wouldn't say it is exactly spot rates because you have to book well in advance, and it is ship slots open for a particular vessel and you have to book quite in advance. But the good part of it is transparency. Everyone has ability to participate and bid for the containers, though they have to book in advance. So it has brought an element of transparency, but it requires new skill to book space in anticipation at a particular rate, and you should have ability to have a customer who is willing to pay that. So to that extent, it's learning new skills. September is a busy time in logistics sector as it is half yearly budget review time. It is also time for filing of annual returns, completion of balance sheet and holding AGM. Equally, this is the time when all the associations in logistics sector hold annual general meeting and there is change of guard. The change of guard means election of new team. It is also busy time because in traditional, now it's virtual or hybrid meetings. It is a time for socializing because people invited colleagues from other associations for socializing dinner. So it was a big time for interaction, socializing, and a place for seeking common agenda. This September also was busy, though very few associations had physical meetings and dinners. We hope that the next year is better and people get accustomed to freight rates because most predictions are is 2022 also is going to be of high freight rate.
Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday.